Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Industrial Internet of Things, also known as IIoT. Today we explore how IIoT is revolutionizing manufacturing and driving Industry 4.0. We'll discover how smart factories use connected devices to monitor operations and optimize processes in real time. This technology is transforming traditional manufacturing into intelligent, data-driven operations that are more efficient, productive, and competitive than ever before. Industrial Internet of Things refers to interconnected sensors, instruments, and devices that are networked together with industrial applications in manufacturing and production processes. Unlike consumer IoT, which focuses on smart homes and personal devices, IIoT is designed for the harsh conditions and demanding requirements of industrial environments. These connected systems share real-time data across the factory floor, enabling advanced analytics that provide predictive insights and optimization opportunities. The result is automation and intelligent decision-making that enhances productivity and operational efficiency throughout the entire manufacturing operation. To understand Industry 4.0, we need to look at the evolution of industrial manufacturing. The first industrial revolution brought mechanization through water and steam power. The second revolution introduced mass production using electricity and assembly lines. The third revolution brought automation through electronics and IT systems. Now we're in the fourth industrial revolution, characterized by smart factories that use cyber-physical systems, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. This transformation represents a fundamental shift in how products are manufactured, combining digital and physical technologies in unprecedented ways. IIoT systems are built on 6 key components working together seamlessly. First, sensors collect real-time data from equipment and environments, including temperature, pressure, vibration, and flow measurements. Second, connectivity networks enable data transmission through industrial Ethernet, wireless protocols, 5G networks, and edge gateways. Third, cloud platforms provide centralized data storage and processing with aggregation, analytics engines, machine learning, and remote access capabilities. Fourth, analytics provide the intelligence layer with predictive analytics, pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and optimization models. Fifth, applications give users interfaces for dashboards, mobile apps, control panels, and alert systems. Finally, security protects everything with encryption, authentication, firewalls, and threat detection. All these components work together to create a comprehensive IIoT ecosystem. IIoT enables numerous powerful applications in manufacturing environments. Predictive maintenance uses sensors to monitor equipment health and predict failures before they occur, dramatically reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Production monitoring tracks manufacturing rates, quality metrics, and operational efficiency in real time across the entire factory floor. Quality control implements automated inspection systems using sensors and vision technology to detect defects and ensure product standards. Inventory management uses smart tracking of raw materials and finished goods to optimize stock levels and supply chain efficiency. Energy optimization monitors and controls energy consumption in real time to reduce costs and environmental impact. Worker safety is enhanced through wearable sensors and environmental monitoring systems that prevent accidents and protect employees. IIoT optimizes manufacturing through a continuous 4-step cycle. First, data collection occurs as sensors continuously gather information from machines, products, and environmental conditions across the production line. Second, real-time analysis processes this data instantly using advanced analytics and AI algorithms to identify patterns, anomalies, and optimization opportunities. Third, the system generates intelligent insights with actionable recommendations for improving efficiency, quality, and resource utilization. Finally, automated action takes place as smart systems automatically adjust parameters, trigger maintenance schedules, or alert operators for optimal performance. This cycle repeats continuously, creating a self-improving manufacturing process. The benefits of IIoT implementation are substantial and measurable. Organizations typically see productivity increases of 20 to 30% through higher output with optimized processes and reduced downtime. Cost reduction of 15 to 25% comes from lower operational costs through efficiency gains and predictive maintenance. Downtime decreases by 30 to 50% thanks to fewer unexpected failures with proactive equipment monitoring. Quality improvements of 25 to 35% result from better product quality through continuous monitoring and control. Energy savings of 10 to 20% are achieved through optimized energy consumption with smart monitoring systems. Perhaps most importantly, IIoT enables real-time response with immediate insights that enable quick decision-making and adjustments throughout the operation. Let's look at real-world success stories. In automotive manufacturing, smart assembly lines use connected robots and sensors to monitor every step of vehicle assembly. These systems detect quality issues in real time, automatically adjust production parameters, and have reduced defects by 40%. In chemical processing, predictive factories use vibration sensors and thermal imaging to predict equipment failures days in advance. Maintenance is scheduled during optimal windows, preventing $60 million in annual downtime costs. In food and beverage production, smart systems use temperature and humidity sensors to ensure optimal conditions throughout production. Automated quality checks and traceability systems guarantee food safety while reducing waste by 30%. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, IoT sensors track every batch with complete transparency. Environmental controls and automated documentation ensure regulatory compliance while increasing production efficiency by 25%. Implementing IIoT comes with challenges, but proven solutions exist. Cybersecurity risks arise because connected devices create multiple entry points for cyber attacks. The solution is multi-layer security, implementing encryption, network segmentation, regular security audits, and zero-trust architecture. Legacy system integration is challenging when existing machinery lacks connectivity capabilities. Edge computing gateways solve this by using retrofit sensors and edge devices to connect legacy systems without replacing them. High initial investment requires significant upfront costs for sensors, infrastructure, and system integration. Phased implementation addresses this by starting with pilot projects, proving ROI, then gradually scaling across operations. The skills gap exists because workforces often lack expertise in IoT technologies and data analytics. Training and partnerships solve this through employee training programs and collaboration with technology vendors. The future of industrial IoT is incredibly exciting with several emerging trends. AI integration will enable autonomous decision-making and self-optimizing factories that continuously improve without human intervention. 5G connectivity will provide ultra-fast, low-latency networks enabling real-time control and massive device connections across entire facilities. Augmented reality and digital twins will transform training, maintenance, and process simulation by creating virtual replicas of physical systems. Blockchain integration will enhance supply chain transparency and enable secure data sharing across organizations. Sustainability focus will drive green manufacturing with IIoT optimizing resource usage and reducing carbon emissions. Edge AI will bring processing power directly to devices for instant insights without cloud dependency. The industrial IoT revolution is not coming, it is transforming manufacturing today. Companies that embrace these technologies now will lead the competitive landscape of tomorrow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.